this is Liz. Welcome to my little urban homestead and Fabric Friday. I've got the Bargello, blue Bargello top out yesterday and started quilting it. I've done half of it and I've got the other half done. I've laid it out as best as I can. It's full size. It's about, I can't remember now. I'll put a note, a caption below here that says the size of it. But I've had back my old, let's turn the light on, Janome New Home sewing machine. I loaned it to a friend so they could learn how to sew on it, and it came back, and it's on this cabinet which it folds out. Well, folds out really far, so this is a really good surface for quilting on. So I thought, for just the straight lines, which is what I'm doing on this, with it being a full size one, I thought I'll use this. It's faster and I can hold the quilt on it better, and it's doing brilliant. And so that's what I'm going to be showing today. So here it all is, and you can see loads of space I've got, or maybe I might not be a shot. And I'm gonna try doing free motion with this one because it gives me so much room for quilting. The only thing is, it can stop in the up position, sometimes in the down, but it stops in the up position, which is not handy. Fiddly, but not handy. So we'll see how it goes with that and how it takes the free motion. But this is Janome New Home, and it must be easy 30 years old, if not longer than that. And as you could possibly hear, or not hear, because it's fairly quiet. See, that's nearly down. I'm not sure if it will be that much of a hardship for me. But on this one, on this Bargello, with it being so big, I don't want to actually do free motion on it. Plus I can't decide what to do anyway on it. So I thought I'll just stitch in the ditch all the way down, every few lines. So that's what I am doing. As you can see, full size quilts, you have to keep manipulating it around, because this is only about a 5-inch throat space, something like that. And my others actually are, well, me Simplicity is exactly the same throat space size. as you see, doing a full-size quilt, you have to keep manipulating it round, and with the size I've got here, lovely. Well, I'm going to carry on with this now. Just finished quilting and I've trimmed it all up. I haven't yet put the binding on, but I've measured it and it is 54 inches wide. This is folded in 4 and it is 76 inches long. So it's a fair size quilt.